If you are in Nigeria, Cameroon, Kenya, Uganda, Ghana, or anywhere in Africa right now, and you still believe moving to Europe legally is only for rich people, people with connections, or people who can pay agents thousands of dollars, then somebody lied to you. Because right now, as you are watching this video, thousands of foreign workers are quietly relocating legally to one of the safest countries in Europe with jobs that don't even require a degree from university. And the greatest part, most people are ignoring this opportunity because they are too busy chasing fake agents, fake sponsorships, and unrealistic immigration promises online. But in today's video, I'm going to show you the country, the types of job hiring right now, where foreigners are applying directly, the salaries, the visa pathway, and how ordinary Africans are using this opportunity to completely change their life in 2026. So if relocating abroad legally is part of your 2026 vision, then this video could genuinely change everything for you. And trust me, you want to watch till the very end, because the final platform I will show you is one of the biggest hidden gems most people still don't know about. Now, let's be honest for a second. Most people fail their relocation journey before they even begin. Not because opportunities do not exist, but because they follow the wrong information. They apply randomly. They pay fake agents. They don't understand visa sponsorships. They use bad CVs, or they apply for jobs they don't even qualify for. And sadly, that is why many qualified Africans remain stuck while other people are quietly moving abroad legally every single month. If you have been around paid travels and jobs for a long time now, right, and you have not even gotten to the stage of interview from any of these countries I've actually shared on my channel, then there's something wrong with you, because there's no how giving you all these legit platforms, legit websites, you won't even get to the interview stage. Then there's something wrong. Okay? Anyways, today I want to simplify everything for you, because this particular European country is actively looking for foreign workers due to labor shortages, aging population, and lack of enough local workers in several industries. And no, this is not only for doctors, engineers, or IT professionals. This opportunity is especially powerful for ordinary people. Yes, ordinary people like warehouse workers, factory workers, cleaners, caregivers, hotel staff, farm workers, kitchen assistants, logistic workers, and many of these jobs actually provide on-the-job training, meaning you can literally learn while working. Now pause for a second and imagine this. Imagine waking up in a peaceful and organized country, going to a legal job, receiving your salary on time, working in a clean and structured environment, having worker protection, overtime pay, a safe place for your future children, and slowly building a completely new life for yourself. That dream people think is impossible. For some people watching this video, this year might actually become the year it starts happening. Now, before I reveal the country, I want you to participate in this video. Which of these jobs would you personally apply for? Is it warehouse jobs? Is it caregiving? Is it factory worker? Is it hotel jobs, cleaning, or farming? Drop it in the comments together with the country you are watching from. I read the comment personally, and sometimes your comments can even help motivate somebody else who is scared to start. Okay? Dropping comment like this gives me an idea on where to do my research further to give you guys legit info. So make sure you drop a comment and where you're watching from, okay? And if you are serious about relocation opportunities like this, make sure you join my WhatsApp channel right now, because I post updates there that never make it to YouTube. The link is in the description and also on the pinned comment. Now, let's finally talk about the country everybody keeps sleeping on. And that country is Finland. Yes, Finland is one of the safest, cleanest, and most worker-friendly countries in Europe. And before you say, Finland is so difficult, listen carefully. Many people moving there right now are not moving because they are rich. They are moving because they finally found the right information and took action. And what makes Finland special is this: the country, honestly, genuinely needs workers in several sectors, especially in healthcare, logistics, hospitality, agriculture, manufacturing, cleaning, and warehouse operations. And unlike what many people think, a university degree is not always compulsory. Skills, consistency, proper applications, and patience matter far, far more. Now, let's talk about salary because I know many of you are wondering. Depending on the sector, many entry-level jobs range around 1,800 to 2,000 euros monthly before overtime. And in some industries, people earn even more with extra hours and shift work. Plus, remember, this is a country with a strong labor laws, meaning contract matters, salaries are protected, overtime is regulated, and workers have rights. So now this is where many people make a mistake. They start with the visa first. That is a very wrong approach. You do not start with visa, you start with a job offer, meaning you apply directly to companies, okay? An employer offers you a contract, then you proceed with the work residency permit process legally. That is the pathway many people are using successfully. Now, let me show you something important. The first platform is called Work in Finland. This is one of the official platforms where international workers can search for opportunities directly. So type that in your Google search, Work in Finland, okay? And what I love about this website is that many listings clearly indicate where international applicants are welcome. You can search by your job title, city, company, or industry. For example, warehouse, caregiver, cleaner, hospitality, electrician, farm work, factory work, and much more. And this is why I always tell people, please stop depending entirely on agents because many opportunities are literally online, publicly. The second platform you should know is Duunitori. This platform is massive in Finland. Thousands of jobs across different sectors. And one strategy I recommend is don't limit yourself to one application. Apply consistently because relocation is partly a numbers game. The more qualified application you submit correctly, the higher your chances become. Another thing, always tailor your CV properly. Many people lose opportunities not because they are unqualified, but because their CV is weak. Now, this next platform is extremely powerful, especially for people searching for European opportunity generally, and that is EURES European Job Portal. This is the official European job mobility portal, and yes, Finland jobs are listed there too. Okay. One thing I personally like about EURES is that it connects to job seekers with verified opportunities across Europe. And if you are patient and strategic, you can genuinely find opportunities that there are many people overlook. Now, let me tell you something very important. Do not allow social media pressure to make you think your life is late. Somebody watching me right now may feel frustrated. Maybe things are not working out financially. Maybe relocation has been your dream for years. Maybe you are tired. But please hear me carefully. One opportunity can completely redirect your life. One correct application, one employer, one email response, one visa approval, and suddenly your entire story changes. That is why I always tell people, do not give up too early. And if you are a Christian, do not forget the place of prayers, okay? Now, before we continue, if your long-term dream is not only relocation, but also building income online, then you should seriously start learning digital skills alongside your relocation plans. Because many people abroad eventually discover that one income source is not enough anymore. If you are interested about learning digital skills, online business, comment the word online or check my pinned comments for a link to a free workshop that gives you an idea of how you can start earning online. Another reason I created my YouTube membership is that inside the membership, I break down relocation strategies, application guidance, online income ideas, and digital opportunities, and practical ways to position yourself globally. So, if you want deeper guidance and more structured support, you can join the channel membership through the link in the description. And again, don't forget to join the WhatsApp channel too, because that is where I drop fast updates regularly. Now, if this video has helped you already, leave a like so more people can discover this opportunity. Share this with someone who genuinely wants to relocate legally, and tell me in the comments, if you got opportunity today, would you actually move to Finland? If you are curious of how does Finland even look like, go on YouTube and watch on the vlogs of people living life in Finland. That will give you an idea of how the country is, okay? I'm genuinely curious. Would you choose another European country instead? Let me know in the comment section. Until then, stay focused, stay prepared, stay hopeful, and remember, 2026 might be the year your life finally changes. Until I see you in the next one, click the link showing on your end screen right now and watch the next video. Until then, remember that Jesus loves you, and I do love you too. Bye for now.